aspirants have filled your CAT form by now. And आज एक बहुत ही important update जो मैं आपको देने वाली हूँ is regarding one of these management exams only. तो make sure आप ये video end तक देखिए. So the official notification for SNAP 2023 is finally out and आज मैं आपको सारे ही important dates के regarding update दे देती हूँ on the website itself. So once you get into SNAP's official website, you would find यहाँ पे you can apply and यहाँ पे you can log in, but before that, do check out the important dates and instructions as to how you need to fill the form. So एक बार important dates हम check out कर लेते हैं. So notification out है, registration started है. The registration would be ending by November 23rd to 2023, and the payment भी इसी दिन close हो जाएंगी आपकी. Next आपकी admit card live होंगी. First slot के लिए December 4th, second and third slot के लिए on December 9th. Now again, because SNAP आपके पूरे 3 slots में होता है, these are the respective dates for all the 3 slots. That is December 10th for slot 1, December 17th for slot 2, and December 22nd for slot 3. Alright? Regarding all these slots, the exam center and the exam timings would be mentioned on your admit card, and your results will be out finally by January 10th itself. Again, after checking out the important dates, make sure आप ये instructions जरूर go through कर ले as to how you need to fill the SNAP form 2023. So do not miss out on any update regarding SNAP 2023. And iQUANTA has recently launched its NMAT and SNAP course. With iQUANTA's NMAT SNAP 2023 course, you get proper guidance with dual pedagogy and 24/7 doubt solving support. ACO SNAP with iQUANTA. All the very best and see you soon.